Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're going to look at Osborn to be Wild. Let's go! Okay, so we have here from the Spider-Man Beyond Amazing set, the super rare prime green goblin. Okay, you can see the amazing sculpt of Green Goblin, okay, with the glide effect and riding his glider. Unmask, that's for the prime version. And of course, the most important part of the sculpt, it's undetached. I say that because a lot of figures, especially the super rare Green Goblin, comes with the glider detached. Also the hobgoblin, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so this one we got from Taldir as a purchase. So thank you very much, Taldir. He pulled this from his sealed brick. So we purchased happily this green goblin. Okay, and the reason why we purchased this one, if you look at the card, is that he contains one of our collector keywords, Hellfire Club. Okay, so Norman Osborn, as you know, okay, is a villain, and of course, at one point, he became the member of the exclusive Hellfire Club. So let's take a look. 53B from the set, Cabal, Dark Avengers, Hellfire Club, Power Elite, Sinister Syndicate, and Thunderbolts keywords. He has a rally trait, 6 for opposing attacks, perplex, and free remove one of his rally die. And if you do the use of perplex this turn to target himself, he may modify the chosen combat values by +2 instead, which is a bit needed because his attack value at the starting Heroclix is lower actually than the second half of his dial. Okay, so you can see he starts off with running shot, so he's a range guy at the beginning, I guess, throwing pumpkin bombs, and then at the end he becomes a close combat charge blades claws expert. So that might be him charging into for the kill. Okay, I remember the Spider-Man film on that. Comes in at 75 and 50 points, so pretty straightforward, with a couple of special powers. Sharp Nail for the attack, Energy Explosion. When Green Goblin uses it, roll a d6. Hit targets are dealt damage equal to the result instead of normal damage. So it's like a BCF, Blades Claws Fangs, for Energy Explosion. So the 2s here does not really matter. The damage actually does not matter because you can do the roll a d6. Okay, so he has 5 range, 1 bolt. And the special damage power, Sadistic Tendencies, Exploit Weakness. When Green Goblin KOs an opposing character after resolutions, heal him 2 clicks. So that's really good because, as I said, that comes on the second half of his dial, so he can find a way to go back to that pumpkin bomb throwing range figure. Okay, so he also has the Sinister Syndicate. When this character makes an attack, he may replace its attack value with the printed attack value of an adjacent friendly character that can use this team ability. So he is a flyer, so he can probably carry that adjacent character. Not so sure who will be the perfect for that. I guess Kingpin or Spider. I don't know, Octopus perhaps, Dr. Octopus. But you can see here Norman Osborn. Yeah. Okay. So I prefer using him at 50 points more than 75. Okay, just for efficiency, because he has sidestep anyway and outwit, and that special attack power on 50 points. Although it's 10 attack, you can always perplex it. Rather than paying 75 points, 25 points between the two dial, I would use that 25 points to equip him, like with the health cycle, perhaps, to give him that hypersonic speed. Okay, so that will make his reach longer. Okay, because he will have hypersonic and then sidestep and then three range. Okay, um, or if you want to use like a 75 point line, you can also increase the number of bolts using the billy clubs of Daredevil. Okay, so you want two bolts so that you can have two targets doing energy explosion and rolling for the damage. Okay, so yeah, that's it for Green Goblin. I'll probably make a team out of this one. Hellfire Club might be a bit limited right now in Modern, but Sinister Syndicate, there's a lot of Sinister Syndicate and Thunderbolts, I think, characters. So, time for you to be played and prove yourself that you are Osborn to be wild.